Hello everyone, today we will talk about brand power and we will start it with the one of the best group, that is Godrej Group, which is maintaining their legacy from last 127 years and it has performed exceptionally astonishing in different segments of Indian marketing. They have ongoing 89 projects in India, and in the era of floor or apartments, they have managed to give an opportunity to buy your own land parcel in Sonipat with in-house Godrej Living Maintenance brand. Well, let's talk about the location advantage. After IMT Kharkhoda, two more IMTs are planned in vicinity. Huge workforce is going to work in Maruti's plant, which is spread across approximately 1,000 acres, which makes Sonipat an exciting investment opportunity. Upcoming high-speed rail corridor connecting Delhi, Sonipat, Panipat, which will be integrated with metro lines of Delhi. It will have 12 stations and 2 depots. Let's talk about the project overview. In today's real estate sector, home buyers have a fear factor of delay in possession. Godrej Green Estate is now few months away from their first delivery in the span of just 15 months. Well, before RERA timeline of 31st March 2025, brand has developed a unique Lutyens-inspired concept with grand entrance, roads, flower valley, open gym, mesmerizing parks and a lavish clubhouse. Facade is almost complete, which means Godrej is offering you an opportunity to become a part of already developed project by the time your possession will fall in place in new phase of Green Estate Sonipat. Well, at the end, let's talk about the EOI process. We are launching plots between 140 to 179 square yards, which are starting from 1.5 CR with some amazing inaugural benefits and a never seen before ultra relaxed payment plan. Many interested buyers have already submitted their EOI of 5 lakhs. Do contact us for the better assistance, and thank you for watching this video.